Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I'll consider today a good day because going into today, there was a very valid question of, okay, there's been a lot of downwards momentum that showed up. Is this the start of something bigger? Is this collapse going to continue, or what's going on? And there was no continuation of any sort of more further downwards momentum, right? Because at least at this point in time, the price has begun to go sideways. Now, that doesn't mean that this is for sure guaranteed to be the bottom, but my point here is that at this point, it's at least a rational thought to throw out there that, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, this whole pullback is finally done. Maybe, just maybe, this thing is getting ready to turn back upwards and make another attempt in the bullish direction. Of course, no guarantees of anything, but like I said, it's at least a valid, rational thought to have, given the price has now begun to at least start to go sideways throughout the course of the day. And if that is going to be and continue to be the bottom, again, that's where this green line comes into play here, 002, which you can see the price did a good job of just bouncing along all day today. Now, if there is any sort of attempted movements back in the upwards direction, I'd be very skeptical until the price can prove itself, which brings about, okay, Clay, how can the price, quote unquote, prove itself? Well, that's where that red line comes into play there, right there at 0024. Meaning if the price can get up to 0024, break above it, and start to stay above it, again, that doesn't guarantee anything, but that would represent a good solid amount of momentum, a good solid amount of power. So we'll see what happens with that. But you don't want to get in one of these situations where it starts to head back up a little bit, everybody gets excited, and then all of a sudden it just rolls right back over. But like I said, if it can get up through that level, that would be a good, first step that, okay, yeah, it's looking like the bulls and looking like the, genuine momentum is starting to show back up again. So keep your eye on these technical levels moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.